Not really, there are no surprises for Kenyans. You know, the constitution we have today is robust and it changed the way things are being done in terms of public participation and public knowledge. Today is not maybe in the 90s or early 2000 up to 2010. The budget estimates the revenue raising measures are with the public from 30th of April to date. What maybe Kenyans will be listening to is the details of these revenue raising measures and budget highlights. So there is really no surprises, just giving more details on what it is that is in the budget estimates.
All right, so Waziri, this is your second budget as the Cabinet Secretary for the National Treasury. When you look at your first budget and this second budget, how difficult or how easy has this one been?
Well, there is no easy budget. In fact, this year's budget is even informed by a number of challenges, one of which is the external shock that we are facing. You know, now we have a war in the Middle East, and that war is completely disrupting the world economy. And so we are preparing this budget in the backdrop of a major external shock, what is close to be called world war. And so there are a lot of uncertainties, and again, underperformance in revenue collection, the rising inflation. That's a major thing because we are preparing a budget at a time when the inflation is rising. Last year it was different. Inflation was contained.